Ferromagnetic materials are strongly attracted to magnets, paramagnetic materials are weakly attracted, and diamagnetic materials are slightly repelled by magnetic fields. These different behaviors determine how easily materials can be separated using magnets. I love explaining this one to my students using a high school dating analogy. Think of ferromagnetic materials as that person who's immediately and strongly attracted to someone. They're the first ones to respond to any attention, just like iron to a magnet. Paramagnetic materials are like the shy ones who show some interest but need a lot more encouragement. They're attracted, but weakly. And diamagnetic materials? They're like the complete opposite. They actually back away slightly when approached, just like how some students react when I announce a pop quiz. If you're looking for exercises to test your knowledge, there is a link in the description for you. Thanks for sticking around till the end. If you enjoyed the video so far and want to see more content like this, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching.